Hello, it's me Zoe and welcome to your 15-minute beginner-friendly yoga workout with variations and modifications on screen. Find your space, let's get into it. So we'll begin our practice today standing at the top of our mat. Bring your feet together. Draw the shoulders away from your ears. Allow your palms to open towards the front of your mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale, reverse. And as you do, let everything release. On your next breath, reaching both hands up towards the sky, lengthening through the spine. Bring the palms together and exhale, dive down. Inhale, lengthen through the spine, halfway lift. Exhale, bend your knees and step back into plank position. We're holding plank here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, lowering slowly down to the halfway point, knees on the ground or lifted. Keep the elbows tucked in towards the body and release the toes and stretch up into a big opening upward facing dog, pressing into the tops of the feet. Exhale and push back, releasing into downward facing dog. From here, look to the top of the mat. Lift your heels, bend your knees. And walk or hop to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees and roll up slowly. Release the shoulders and hands. Take a deep breath in. Bend your knees and exhale to Utkatasana, chair pose. Lift the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, diving forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands down, step back, plank position, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, push back, release into downward facing dog. On an inhale, take the left leg, step to the front of the mat, release the right heel. Open into Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Exhale, release the hands, release the back toes. As you step back for plank, keep the left foot lifted, three-legged chaturanga. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Other side, right foot steps forward, left heel grounds. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands down, frame the foot, release the back heel. If you can, extend that foot, keep it hovered. Chaturanga, inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep the breath smooth and the cycles long. Let's go deeper. Inhale, lift the heels, bend the knees, hop to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, bring the arms up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Going deeper this time if you can. Exhale, hands to heart center. Here we go, guys. Next round. This time we're adding a little yogi press. Inhale, arms up, reach up and sit into your Utkatasana chair pose. Exhale, dive down. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step or float to plank, chaturanga. Press yourself back up. Come on all the way down. Release the toes, upward facing dog. Exhale, push back into downward facing dog. This time, right leg steps forward. Ground the back heel. Open up to Warrior 1. Release the hands, frame the foot. Release the back foot, step back into plank. Leave the foot lifted. Yogi press for 1 and chaturanga, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Other leg, left leg comes forward, right heel down, Arms up, reach up, warrior one. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, hands down, release the back heel. Extend the back heel, single-legged plank, press. Chaturanga, inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Give yourself some deep loving breaths here. We keep it moving. Lift your heels, bend your knees, look to the top of your mat. Step or hop to the front. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend your knees, sweep the arms up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Deeper still. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, bending in the knees, come back into chair pose. Exhale, hands down, fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Hands to the floor, step back into plank. Yogi press, press back up. And exhale, lower your belly all the way down to the floor. We'll come into locust pose. So, engaging the glutes, the thighs, and lifting the chest off the mat like you're surfing on a little turtle. Bring the heels in towards the glutes and exhale to release. You can add in the arms if you like, cactus those. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. One more, inhale, exhale. Lovely. Placing the hands down, curl under the toes, press back up into downward facing dog. Step the left foot forward in between the arms, reaching all the way up into warrior one. Shift the weight forward. Kick the right heel back in line with your hip, coming into warrior three. If you lose your balance, no worries. Just take a deep breath and come back in. And exhale. Bend the left knee, bringing yourself closer to the earth and holding here. Keep that back heel lifted and in line with the hips. Exhale to press back up into warrior three. Step the foot back to find yourself in warrior one. Bring the hands down to frame the foot. Step back, keeping that heel lifted. Chaturanga, one-legged. Yogi press. And coming into upward facing dog. Releasing to downward facing dog. Bring the right foot in between the hands. Open up to warrior one. Shifting the weight forward, lifting the back heel, warrior three, draw the shoulders back. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bend in your standing leg and hold. 3, 2, 1. Pressing back up. Let the back heel find the mat. Reach the arms up. Warrior one. Frame the foot. Step back. One-legged chaturanga. Exhale. Press. And lowering down to chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, lift the heels, walk, step or hop to the top of the mat. Lift halfway and exhale to fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up, Utkatasana chair pose. Heel toe your feet out slightly so your feet are hip width distance apart. Shift your weight to the right foot, warrior three. Come back down, big squat into chair pose. Other side, warrior three on the left. And into chair. Warrior 3. And get low. Warrior 3. And low. Keep going. 3 more. And squat down. Warrior 3. Squat down as low as you can. Feel the engagement in your entire lower body. We're strengthening, we're toning, we're defining. Stay present, Warrior 3. Keep going. 1 more time. And to finish, let's come down into a low squat, open-legged chair, holding for 3, 2, 1. Heel toeing the feet back together. Exhale, dive it down. Halfway lift and lengthen. Exhale, step back, plank position. Chaturanga. Release the toes, open up for upward facing dog. We'll do some tricep upward dog push-ups now. Release the toes, curl them under so your heels are up. Lower the body down and press up through the triceps for 1, 2, 3, work those triceps, 4, hold the upward dog and push back, downward facing dog. Breathe it out. Let go of any tension. That was tough. And you're still here. Take another inhale. And exhale, bend the knees, coming down into child's pose. Bring the big toes to touch, knees as wide as the mat. And let's finish our power blast with a couple of deep breaths in child's pose. Keep sending your seat bones towards your heels. Bringing attention to your glutes and your hips. On an inhale, seeking any remaining tension. And on an exhale, we soften and release. As your breath returns to its natural rhythm here, you'll notice your heartbeat slowing down as we appreciate the stillness and the calm washing over our body after our intense yoga session. Let's take a moment to thank our bodies for the workout today, for sweating, for getting our heart rate up, for getting our blood flowing. And one more thing to be grateful for. Anything that comes to your mind. And on your next inhale, slowly walking your hands back towards you to find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Take a big stretch, bring your palms of your hand together at heart center. Deep breath in, long exhale out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.